Good morning students. Today we are going to see the science practical, the experiment number 9. So let's see. Good morning students. Today we are going to see the experiment number 9, that is electrostatic force. This experiment is related to lesson number 10, that is force and types of force. So let's see first what is the aim of the experiment. To study how electrostatic force is produced. For that the apparatus used for, here I use a plastic scale. You can use plastic comb also. Then some bits of paper, some pieces of papers. Okay, that much apparatus only we need. Now how to do that experiment, see. Here I spread some bits of paper and now I am going to rub this scale on dry hair. You can try this at home also. I am going to rub this scale on dry hair. The hair should not be oily. Dry hair we need. And then I am going to take this scale near the bits of paper. See here everyone, that piece of paper get attracted towards that scale. Why it is happen? Because here having one force. Here generating one force. That force name is what? Static electrostatic force. The name of the force is what? Static electrostatic force is generated here. See here everyone, the bits of paper are get attracted toward the scale because of the static electrostatic force. So that is the experiment of today's. Now in your journal you have to write aim, apparatus, procedure, observation. What we observe here? When the plastic comb or ruler is held near the bits of paper, they get attracted towards the plastic ruler or comb. What we conclude from this experiment? Bits of paper get attracted to the plastic comb due to static electricity. Okay, so here which force is generated? Static electricity. Understood everyone? So everyone write this experiment in your journal properly. Good morning students. Today we are going to see the experiment number 12, that is types of levers. So this experiment is based on the chapter number 12, that is simple machine. So see what is the aim of this experiment? To locate the position of load, effort and fulcrum and find out the type of lever. For that here we use the pen or pencil, then scale and paperweight. You can take anything for that and you can try this experiment at home also. Very easy experiment. See, first I place a pen on the table as shown in the figure. Then place a scale at right angle to the pen. Now balance the ruler at the center. Now it balance. Now I am going to keep a paperweight on one end of the scale. Now see, press the other end of the scale with your finger to lift the weight. See here. Now see here. Now I am going to keep this paperweight with a less distance and now I am going to apply some. Now I am going to press this scale. Now increase the distance of paperweight. Now increase the distance of paperweight and now apply the press. Now you can press on the other side of the scale. What do you feel the difference here in before case and then in after case? Yes, see here, what do you observe here? In this experiment, this pen or pencil is at the center, so it is the support, so it is a fulcrum. Then this load is at one end, so paperweight is a load, it is at one end. And this effort means we applying the force, that is finger, is at the other end. As the effort arm becomes longer and longer compared to load arm, less and less force is required. See, if we apply the force to here, we need more force to apply. But as I increase this distance, here we need to apply less force as compared to here. Okay, so that is the experiment only. See, and as the effort arm becomes longer, means from here to here the distance is high. So here we need to apply less force as compared to here force. So what we conclude from this experiment? This type of lever is called the lever of first order. This type of lever is called the lever of first order. Understood everyone this experiment? So write this experiment in your journal properly. Aim, apparatus, procedure, observation, conclusion, and draw this diagram in a diagram place. Okay, thank you. So everyone complete the experiment number 9 and experiment number 12 in your CW. Okay, thank you.